Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Git or Git Bash or GitHub in your understand here. So if I right click on it, as you can see I have Git here. So to uninstall here, first go to your search bar here in the right corner. So this process will work in the both in Windows 10 and Windows 11 if you are using. Search for control panel. As you can see there's an option called control panel app here, click on it. And here you'll find the option called programs here. So you just have to click uninstall a program. So if you don't find this window like this, if you just have to choose the category option here. So if you have large icons or small icons, choose the category and click on the uninstall a program option here. Here we will find all of the program that you have installed here. So just find the Git here. As you can see, here is the Git here. So just right click on it. Right click on it and you will find the option called uninstall here. So just click on uninstall here. Then you have to click yes to continue the process here. So just click yes here. As you can see, your Git is uninstalling in your Windows 10 here. As you can see, Git was successfully removed from your computer. Click OK. Close the control panel. So that's it guys. This is how you uninstall Git in your Windows 10. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.